Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this short video tutorial, I'll show you how to share your Shopify product link. So I'll show you two methods what you can do. First of all, you can just simply go to your Shopify store. So here is online store. You need to click this eye icon right here and you will go to your Shopify store. You need to find the product, click it, and just copy the link. But if it's hard for you to find the product, you can just go to your products list right here. Find the product from the list which link you want to copy. For example, let's go right here. And you need to scroll down all the way down, guys. And right here, you will see this pencil icon. You need to click edit. And when you scroll down, you will see this link right here. This is our product link. Just copy it and paste it in the browser. So that's our link. But if you can't find the search engine listing section, that means you don't have the description. So just write something inside the description, save it, and then the link will appear here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if this video was helpful for you.